Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you part 3 of my wash day tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I cut my hair at home. And if you have not already checked out part 1 of how I cleanse and moisturize, or part 2 of how I do my blowouts, you can check those out. Also, if you would like the link to the scissors that I use, these are salon quality cutting shears, and those will be in the description box. Now, unpopular opinion, but I don't actually trim my hair that often. I just not someone who does that. It's never been my thing. However, I am currently growing out a lot of damage, specifically bleach damage, from coloring my hair, as well as just some damage from two particular salon experiences. And so my hair is very thick and full, but it's still damaged throughout. And so I am just going to be slowly growing that out, along with my Grow Crazy hair elixir. So I'm using that to stimulate growth, and then I'm going to be trimming along this journey. Also, side note, like, I know y'all see these grays, like, they are just multiplying by the day. So I'm basically just detangling each section. I did just do a blowout in the previous video, but my hair loves to tangle, whether it's wet, dry, it doesn't matter. I have a ton of strands and they just like to party with each other. So in each section, I'm having to kind of detangle again, and then I'm just stretching it as much as I can and cutting most of where it starts to look spacey and thin. So I think I probably cut about 2 to 3 inches off by the end of this video. My hair at the front is very fine and it's a lot more fragile than the rest of my head, so it's significantly shorter. And I'm just going to kind of go through and follow the natural layering of this section. And I'm just kind of pulling it down to make sure that everything matches lengthwise on the ends. And then obviously when I'm stretching my hair, it's waist length. However, when I let it go, it has so much volume that it's significantly shorter. And if I were to straighten my hair after this video, which I don't think that I will, I think I'm going to go into a protective style. But I do think that I would still be waist length because truly prior to this cut, I was actually hip length. So my hair touched the top of my hip bone a little bit below waist length. So if I were to straighten it right now after this cut, I think it would still be waist length. So here I'm halfway done with one side and you can already start to see the difference. And I'm just going to go in and do the rest and then I'll be back. So the other side is done. And for this trim, I think I'm just going to stop here for now. Continue to use my hair products and take care of my hair, my scalp, my body. Let it grow out some more. And then I'll come back in a few months and do another trim just to gradually get rid of the damage. And I really would love to hear from y'all in the comments of what kind of videos you want to see next.